DNN Nation. It's your girl Nai.
And it's your girl Dai, and we're back once again with another video for you guys. So we're gonna name all of our slimes.
And we're gonna be showing you guys.
This is mine, and it's like the blue water slime.
Yes, and it's like clear. We made it out of clear glue. And this is my green apple slime. I use glitter and like it just was clear glue. And this is my gold. I call this gold slime. My gold shimmer slime.
Okay.
And this is diamond. No, it's actually my angel slime. I call it angel slime because it's white
and it has gold.
Yeah.
And this is my slime. It's like I call mine like angel too because it's like we have the same stuff in it. See?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is my pink butter slime, but it's like a bubblegum butter slime. And this right here is my water slime. It's like a very jiggly, like water paste type of slime. And then right here, this is my glow-in-the-dark slime. And then right here, this is
my slime again.
It might look green on the camera, but it's actually gold in real life.
See?
Yes.
Oh, it looks green when I look.
Yes, y'all. Now you can see it.
Okay. But it's like darker gold. Yes. But we're gonna be playing with our slime and showing y'all like the review of like how the texture is, like how good of it makes a bubble.
Yes, and if you guys would want one of these slimes, we will give you guys.
Just comment down below.
Yes.
And our social media is gonna be down in the description.
Yes.
But if you try to go follow me, that's mine right there. And
we're gonna put all of our information in the description box.
Where's your? Oh. Okay.
So right here, this is my glow in the dark slime.
It was glowing last night in the closet, and we got scared.
Yes. You guys wanna come with us and see? Come on, we're gonna take you guys to come look at our glow in the dark slime.
Wait, I'm gonna have to put something. Put this up.
So guys. You can barely see it already, but we're about to go inside the closet and show you guys.
Wait.
So, come on, Diamond.
Alright, now.
Hold the camera. Take Diamond. You gotta heave it up where they can see it. Well, yeah, you guys. I have to show you guys the slime.
Can you see?
We're inside of this building. You guys can see it a little bit. Did you see that right there? It's glowing.
Oh, you'll see it.
I see it.
You see that little sparkle down there?
Come on, Diamond. Come inside the closet. Show them this one. It's so cool how, like...
See that little sparkle?
Yes. Come on. Okay. I'm going to close it to see if, like, we can see it even better. So, yeah, we're going to see. Okay, guys, look. This is my slime right here. And...
Oh, my gosh. Look.
Gotta take your hand off of it, Diamond.
Wait.
We're about to show you guys in a second.
You can see it now.
See, it's like glowing a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Okay. Then, on to number two of mine. So, this is my glitter slime. It's a like very good slime. You can put that one to the side since you already did it. It's a good slime, but it's like, ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
It's kind of sticky. Wait.
Yes.
Wait.
I love touching.
Calm down. It's sticky. Sometimes, like, it makes very good bubbles. Wait, I'm going to try to do one for y'all if it cooperates.
Kind of made a bubble, and when you squish it, it's just life.
This is like could be an MA.
Well, what do you rate this slime?
1 through 10. Rate this one, and rate the glow in the dark slime 1 through 10.
Now the next slime we have
hers
is my
number 3
water slime. You could tell that it's very like watery and stuff. It's like very like jiggly and watery. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out.
And we're about to pause for, after she's done, we're about to pause for a musical dance break.
We're going to be showing you guys in the video a combo of how we sometimes like to do our Musical.lys or like our TikToks, what do you usually say? But this slime is not really like that stretchy because it's like, I put like a lot of water inside of this one to like make it like watery. jiggle like this. Yeah.
This is funny. Look.
Y'all look. That's funny.
But
Oh my god.
call it. If y'all hear stuff in the background, don't mind it. Oh,
Yes, you
look.
Cool. But
I want one in this shirt.
But yes, you guys, that is all of that slime. And I'm gonna go show you guys my butter slime.
Alright, we about to do our little dance break.
First, I'm showing them
No, it's my turn.
butter slime.
It's my turn. I don't like doing videos on 9 because, like, that was such a fail. Move out the way. Okay,
This
come
slime
on.
is very.
There's break. Come on.
You guys want to see it? Look. Yo, guys, this is a fail. You gotta read this one.
Well, just put the phone right here and they can see us.
Yes. Okay, you shoot it.
We do 2 dance breaks in between.
Alright, fingers in your ears and make the la-la sound.
Okay, so that was our dance break.
And make the la-la sound.
Oh.
Alright, fingers in your ears and make the la-la sound.
We crushed that, y'all.
YouTube.
Toast.
Okay.
We're gonna do another one.
Ears and make
Okay, let me introduce my slime since you did 2. I'm gonna do my 2. So I don't have no more because, oh, your brother took my other one.
Yes.
We'll have to edit this video.
I know.
Since she chose T over D, I mean, you can have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
For real. I would.
Who's T?
Her boyfriend.
Aww.
Like, you really choose somebody that you're going to break up with and y'all act like y'all going to be together forever.
Fake little 6th grade romance.
Exactly. Kissing boys already at your age, you can tell you going to be a thought, sis.
Great.
Why are you touching my slime? So I'm going to clean that's yours. Wait, girl, see you showing off yours.
I like mine. Mine's is like clear. There's
My-
like a whole bunch of glitter in it.
Mine's is clean. Mine's is clearer than yours because you added too much.
Nah, mine is crystal. Like it's crystal clear. It just has glitter in it.
Okay,
Let me
so...
see diamonds real quick. Diamonds is crystal clear though. It just has glitter in it, just like mine. But mine just like has like a dark color glitter.
Let me see my slime.
And all of these slimes are
See?
either made out of color slime.
They're not, this one's made out of
Clear.
color slime.
This
No,
one made
no,
out of
no,
clear.
it's the glitter, it's the glitter.
I was the only one that had the color slime.
Nuh-uh.
Because
Nuh-uh.
it was only one.
I had pink and
Oh
blue.
yeah, you did have pink.
This
too.
one was blue. That's what I was trying to say, but you was cutting me
Oh yeah,
off.
you did have blue.
You had 3 colors and 2
I had,
clears, and I had 3
We had
clears
5.
and 2 colors.
I had 5. We both had 5.
I know.
slimes.
You had 3 colors and 2 clears, and I had 2 clears. I had 3 clears and only 2 colors.
So y'all, as she's showing you guys her slime, I'm gonna show you guys my last slime.
This is like a good
This is my
slime.
green apple slime,
I
and it's,
never felt this one. Let me see.
my green apple slime is scented.
It smells like leaves.
Yes. Like
Off
a little.
tree.
like a
Alright, let's
little-
try to do a bubble.
Okay, wait a second. See if this is is it a dip or a ship?
Well, so we're gonna pull it apart, and if it breaks, we gotta toss it. It gotta go in the bag for a little bit. Okay, back up some. Alright, go.
Come on, now we gotta
that
go
was
together.
good. My slime was a good one. That was a good slime. Alright, so
Let's
this
try
is the
another one.
ship. This is the ship. This right here.
Let's try this
The
one.
crystal one is a shit. Wait, I gotta get a new bag for this one. Because the bag is stuck on it. Hold this for me, please.
If you guys want any of these slimes,
Just
like
comment down below and we'll send it to you. Even if you're like in a different country or city.
we'll give you like
We'll send it to you on a
We'll
PO
give you like
box.
we'll give you like the prices and everything. We'll give you like
in the description. So
we have
like,
great
for slimes,
packaging.
for slimes like this is like $2, right?
Yeah,
This one, no, this is $3.
but it ain't gonna be inside here. Just gonna be.
It's
like,
gonna be in a container. This is $3.
Yes.
This is a real good one. We have to make another one like this. This is $5 because it's really really big.
I'm gonna show you guys something.
This water slime is
Come in
10.
like the light and like you'll see like it's like pearl.
Yes.
It's like a cute.
But her water slime, it is $10 because water slime is $10 because it takes a lot.
It's like water.
It takes
you
a
have
lot.
to do a lot of stuff to
A
make
lot.
that.
This one, this one too. And the glitter slime is $5.
It all depends on like how much you
What size it is. Like
Yes.
this size is like 10.
yeah.
Like 10. But if you get like a big bowl container, that's like $20.
But
And we're
give
gonna
you,
send
like-
you it in packages. Like even if you live in Harrisburg, we're not gonna come to your house. We're just gonna get it delivered to you.
Yes. Come on, we're gonna stretch this one out and we're gonna see,
See if
this
it's
is
chip or
or
a
a
dip. Right.
Go slow.
I don't think so. Oh, y'all, this one was good, but it gotta be in the bag for a little bit longer, cause it's like a dip. You just get a new bag.
Let's try. We're gonna try all the slime to see which one stretches the best.
This one was a good one. I like my slime.
Let's try this blue glow in the dark one.
Oh no, that's a good one.
Yes, I already know it's gonna be good.
We're gonna do this one next. even though
Yes,
it's-
we're gonna see if this one's a ship or a dip.
Which one is the glow in the dark one?
This one.
Oh,
Oh shucks.
oh, that was good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Let's try it one more time.
Right, go. Is that Cody?
Yeah.
Aw, second time was a fail.
The first time was a little bit better.
It was like, whoa.
It was a dip.
Cool.
But the second
Okay.
one was like a ship.
So let me stop. All right, this one. Can I do mine now?
Yes, let's do yours.
Okay, this might be a little sticky, so kind of keep it in mind. All right, go.
We're gonna give you guys some tips of how we make our
Oh
slime.
my gosh. My bubble is big.
Yes.
Bruh. Ah! This slime is good. It's a good slime. I think I got good slimes. I think I know how to really make slime. Like, we're the slime queens. Like,
Let's do it one more time.
We gotta do it a second time for
Yes.
everyone.
We do it a second time for each slime.
If y'all hear stuff in the background, don't mind it.
We don't have like professional stuff.
And it ain't like we live in a house by ourselves. Oh my god!
This is like
My
a
slime
little
is a
bit
good slime.
sticky,
But
like
it's a good stretch. That's a
We
shit.
made this one with like
I made mine. I made this
Yeah.
one. It was like I didn't use a lot of glitter. Well, I use a lot of glitter. That's the whole key. The glitter. The glitter is
makes it, like,
everything.
right.
Yours. The glitter.
So like a tip that we have for you guys: never ever make slime with borax. It makes your slime like very like hard,
Hard.
like it will dry out fast,
and the
it could
next
burn
day,
you.
like I left this one out in a dresser like this overnight, and it didn't dry out. And then when I woke up, I
Yes.
thought it was dried out because I was about to be real sad.
Right, but it was very nice.
It was a good slime.
Yes. So now we're
Round.
which one should we try now?
Let's do our clay one.
Yes.
Wait.
Oh, you could eat the slime. The types of clay you should use is Crayola clay,
Which is
Model
Model Magic.
or you could use Dysel. Dysel is a
Dysel is a good one, but it don't make it stretch a lot. Just
It's
being
like-
honest. Sorry.
It's like more like a butter, but like it spreads good, but like not that good.
It cuts good too. I tried to
Yes.
cut it too. It's good.
But Dysel, it's too expensive.
It really is. It costs like $5 for one pack.
Yes.
Nobody got no time to spend
When
no
you can-
$5 on like 12 packs.
Right. That is a good deal for 12 packs for $5 though.
Yeah, but that costs too much.
If you want like our boxes, we give you free packaging.
Yes,
And, like, we'll,
from
like-
the UPS.
Yes.
No, from our legal mail. Oh my
Very
god.
spreadable.
See, I told you I know how to make slime. My slime is good. Alright, come on.
The second one, see, it's a ship or a dip.
Okay. This is a ship.
Right.
Oh my god. This was good. I can't lie. It was good.
The next one we're gonna try.
Wait, I need a new baggie.
The next one we're gonna try is this golden one.
Can I hold this?
Or did we
second,
already try
please?
this one? I don't
No,
think
we
did.
tried mine. Hurry up. It's falling. Yes, this is a ship. If it's a dip, we have to put it in the back.
Yes.
The top 10, whoever does good.
You comment down below at the end of this video
But
what's
yeah,
your favorite
which
slime?
one was top 10? We still gotta do this. This was top 10.
And we gotta
That was bad. So we gotta do this. We gotta do these.
either
and
way,
then-
yeah, we're gonna try all those.
Alright,
Wait
come
a
on.
second. Wait, I got a rubber bands. Okay.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Ooh, I don't know.
Aww.
It did.
It was a dip. It's the dip for right now.
Yeah, cause like it's like the crunch.
The crunch is good. It's just the spreading.
We need to go like small though.
Then go fast.
We don't want it to like break or anything.
Oh.
This was a really
Oh!
big dip.
That was it was a shit.
Oh yeah, shit.
A dip. I was gonna say what? It's a good slime. Alright, this is top 10 too. Okay. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all right here.